Years ago, I left a hose on this during the winter time, and it froze and busted, and I brazed it back together. But ever since then, it's leaked a little bit. So I want to replace this head, and that's what we're going to do today. There is a little square bolt back here. You want to back that off. And I'm actually going to go ahead and take this part. I can just slide this whole thing. You take the bolt out right here. This whole head assembly will slide right out. Alright, then we want to back this nut off. Right here. You really just have to loosen this to get the pressure off the O-rings, but I'm going to go ahead and take it all the way off. Alright, so we're going to use a pipe wrench and this roller chain wrench. Now, you can just use another pipe wrench if that's what you have. But if you use another pipe wrench, you just need to protect this galvanizing with something like some rubber or cloth or something like that. Just going to try to loosen this up a little bit so we can pull it up. Alright, there we have that. Now we've got to break this loose and put the new rod on it. Alright, then we just take our stem and screw it right into there. Now we're going to have to drop this down. Usually that stem comes with it, but it didn't this time, so we just got to screw it back in down there. Okay. Alright, now I want to loosen up this packing nut so the O-rings can slide easily. And then this one has a nut on the side to adjust the pull on it. So I just want all that loose right now, and I'm going to tighten this down. Alright, I think we're going to stop right there. Alright, so now when we've got the head tightened down, we want to tighten this gland back down. You don't need it super tight. Just snug it up. You can always tighten it a little more if it's dripping. Alright, and then you're supposed to make sure that this plunger is all the way down. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise it up, and then we're going to tighten that down a little bit, and we're just going to push down on it to make sure that it's seated well. And now we're going to loosen up. And what you're supposed to do is bring this up to 30 degrees. So, well, where's 30 degrees? Okay, so if it's here, that's 90 degrees at a right angle, right? So we want to do a third of that. So we're going to do right about there. We're going to go right about there. And we're going to tighten this back down. Alright, so that probably will do it. I'm going to go turn the water back on and we'll test it. Alright, here we go. Okay, that seems to be working perfectly. Hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.